Hello YouTube, Bob Lee here. In the videos that I have for you today, I'm going to be showing you how I machined these bars to make them into lathe tools. Now, the second part of this series or videos that we're doing is going over to Mike Fulton's channel at MF Woodshop. And he is going to complete the lathe tools, and he's going to have video for you for that. So, without any further ado, let me get on with my video. I'm going to cut in a platform for the tips. Now, I'm going to be doing these on a very simple level. I'm just going to be using a simple Harbor Freight 4.5 inch hand grinder with a slicing blade here. Is just basically a level platform for the bit to sit on, but I've got a lot of shaping to do to this and redoing this bar a little bit so that I get it to where I want the bit to fit. What I'm doing now is tapping this with an 832. I'm making sure everything is still cleaned out of the threads and everything. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to run a slight chamfer on that hole right there to allow the fluted part of this screw, because I'm using an 832 flathead with an Allen wrench insert, or that's the way you tighten it up, is with an Allen wrench. Or I'm going to use a T Allen wrench. Now the chamfer allows the bolt to go in just a little bit more when you put the cutter on. Now this is an easy tool cutter. It's hard to see, but it's a round cutter, CI3 easy tool. Okay, you can see that I've got the tip all grounded in for the mounting of the CI3 round easy tool tip there. It's got all the clearances and all the best bevels I can get in by hand. Okay, I've got it all machined out on the end, and what I did was I rounded the part off like Captain Eddie said to do, and I drilled a 9/16 hole And you can see that that's going to allow that to go into the shank of the handle. Now you can build the handle to whatever length you feel comfortable. Captain Eddie says that 4 inches right here, 4 inches is what you need to anchor into a handle and have a nice secure tool. And what you do is you epoxy this into the handle through a 9/16 hole like that. Okay. I want to thank all my subscribers, and I want to thank all that are watching. And if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up or make a comment, and please hit that subscribe button. Have a good evening.